My dear students and viewers, welcome all of you to my online class. I am SM Kamruzzaman, assistant teacher in English, Chormona Union Secondary High School, Borishal Sadar, Borishal. Today I am going to discuss a new topic. The name of the topic is article. Online class number 7. Today I am going to discuss uses of article part 1. Article in general, A and D are called article. A and D are also called determiner. The meaning of article is Padashrito Nidresho. According to English grammar, article is an indicator that takes shelter in parts of speech or in a sentence, that functions as determiner, which refers to definite or indefinite idea about somebody or something. From this definition, we can say that there are 4 characteristics or features of article. The first characteristics or feature about article, it is an indicator. The first features of article is it is an indicator. The second characteristics or features are it takes shelter in parts of speech or in a sentence. The third characteristics or features of article, it functions it refers to definite or indefinite idea about somebody or some things. The 4 characteristics or features of article is it functions as determiner. So from this definition we can say that there are 4 characteristics or features of article. First, it is an indicator. Second, it takes shelter in parts of speech or in a sentence. Third, functions as article. Functions as determiner. Article functions as determiner. 4 characteristics or features of article is it refers to definite or indefinite idea about somebody or something. We know there are 2 kinds of articles. One is called definite article, another is called indefinite article. Definite article. The definition of definite article. The meaning of definite article, the Bangla meaning of definite article is nirdishtota bachok padashrito nirdesho. The definition of definite article is article which is used to indicate a fixed person or a fixed thing and expresses definite idea about somebody or something is called definite article. From this definition we can say that there are 2 kind of characteristics or features of definite article. By 2 ways we can identify definite article. The number 1, a definite article, it indicates a fixed person or a fixed thing. Number 2, it expresses definite idea about somebody or something. D is called definite article. Example, Rahman is a doctor. The doctor is my brother. In the second sentence, we use article the. Here, the is definite article because the is used to indicate the previous word a doctor. For this reason, the is called definite article. Here, the doctor, the is used before noun. Article, the is used before doctor. Doctor is a noun. Before noun, we have to use article the. The is used to indicate a fixed person, and the is used to express a definite idea about somebody. For this reason, we have to use article the. So we can say that there are two kinds of features or characteristics of definite article. The first characteristics is it is used to indicate a fixed person or a fixed thing. The second characteristics of definite article is that it expresses definite idea about somebody or something. Now I am going to discuss about indefinite article. Indefinite article, what is called indefinite article? Article which is used to point out a person or thing and expresses indefinite idea about somebody or something is called indefinite article. From this definition, we can say that we get two kinds of features or characteristics about indefinite article. The first features or characteristics of indefinite article is that it is used to point out a person or a thing. The second characteristics of indefinite article is that it expresses indefinite idea about something or somebody. A or an are used. A and are called indefinite article because a and are used to point out a person or a thing, and they express indefinite idea about something or somebody. For this reason, a and are called indefinite article. Example, we can say that, example, I have a cat. Here I use a before the word cat because in the word first letter is consonant C. Before consonant we have to use article a, and a indicates a thing. A indicates a thing and it expresses indefinite idea about something. For this reason, a is called indefinite article. In the second sentence, but they have an owl. Here I use an before vowel O. Before vowel we have to in general we have to use an before vowel A, E, I, O, U. For this reason, here an is indefinite article, and an is used to point out a thing and it expresses indefinite idea about something. For this reason, we can say that indefinite article is used to point out a person or thing, and it expresses indefinite idea about something or somebody.
3.
We know there are two kinds of articles: definite article and indefinite article. Definite article, its Bangla meaning is nirdishtotavasak, padaschito nirdeshok. We have to use definite article the, and its Bangla meaning is T. We have to use definite article in case of Bangla meaning T ta khanakhani, but we have to use indefinite article to refers to a indefinite article. We have to use its Bangla meaning will be ekti or ekjon. When Bangla meaning will be ekti or ekjon, in this case we have to use article an. But when Bangla meaning will be ti ta khana khani, then we have to use article the. The will express a fixed person or fixed thing, but an will be used in case of indefinite person or thing.